So this is my Hero truck. It's a RC4 drive, a Desert Hero. It's like a Ford Raptor. I've done some detail work on it myself. I did this with one of those chrome pins. Has quite a few upgrades that it does not come with. I had to order these, special order these. Waited a while for them to get there. These tires, they look cool. Believe me, they look cool. The rims are cool. These are from Vanquish. Very cool rims. These tires look cool on the truck when it's sitting down on all fours, but they're too soft. And so I'm going to go with an upgrade. I've been trying to look for tires that might work. So first I went with the pit bulls. And they were a little bit, the pit bulls were a little bit on the big side for this truck because of the wheel well. It'll take it. It's just if you want more performance, like good performance out of it, like turning and all that, you need a smaller tire. So I am gonna use the foam from the pit bull, which is thicker than this foam, which comes with this rock creeper. I believe it's an RC4 drive product. Let me see. Yeah, it's RC4 drive product. So yeah, I'm gonna change into those tires and I'll have an update on this probably tomorrow. Hope you guys like it.